Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem modify the array. So let us look at the problem statement. The problem statement says given an array ARR, return the modified array in such a way that if the current and next number are valid numbers and are equal, then double the current value and replace the next number with 0. After the modification, rearrange the array such that all zeros are shifted to the end. So for instance, if this is the array which is given to us, after doubling and zeroing the elements of the array and after rearranging, the array looks something like this, and this is what we need to return. So that's about the problem statement, folks. Now let us discuss the solution of this problem. So the solution of this problem is rather simple. What we need to do is we need to take an answer array, and the length of this answer array is equals to the length of the array. And initially we are going to set all the values of this answer array to 0. Then we are going to iterate on the elements of the array. So for I in range of len of array -1, and we are going to check if arri equals to arr I plus 1. And since we are referring to I plus 1 index, because of which over here you can see minus. If they are equal, then in such case the current element has to be doubled. So let us double the current element, and the next element has to be set to 0. So let us set the next element to 0, and in this way we have manipulated the array, and using this for loop we have either doubled the elements of the array or we have set it to 0. After doing so, we have to rearrange the array such that all zeros are moved towards the end. For that, all we have to do is we again have to iterate on the elements of the array, and also let us take j equals to 0, and we are going to check if arri is not equals to 0. If arri is not equals to 0, then that value we are going to copy it in our answer. So answer of j is equals to arri, and let us increase j by 1. And in this way, if you see, using this loop we are able to copy only non-zero elements in the beginning of the answer array, and since the answer array is set to 0, so the last elements or the zeros have been pushed to the last position, and towards the end all we have to do is we just have to return answer. So that's the Python implementation, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our Python solution got accepted. Now let us look at the C++ implementation. So the C++ implementation is also the same, folks. We have an vector answer, then we are iterating on the elements of the array. If current and next element are equal, then current element will be double and next element will be set to 0. Again we are iterating on the array, and at this time we are checking if this is a non-zero element. If this is a non-zero element, then we are inserting it in our answer array at the jth position, and then we are increasing j by 1. Towards the end we are returning answer. So that's the C++ implementation, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our C++ solution also got accepted. That is all from this video, folks. In case if you have any question or comment regarding this video, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll try to address them. Thank you.